Do you know the difference between has got and have got? It's easy. Let's check it out. We use have got with I, we, you, and they, and has got with he, she, and it. Hey, look! This is a teddy bear. I have got a teddy bear. Have you got a teddy bear? Yes? No? Yes, I have got a teddy bear. No, I haven't got a teddy bear. Look! It's a toy car. This is a toy car. Hey! I have got a toy car. Have you got a toy car? Yes? No? Yes, I have got a toy car. No, I haven't got a toy car. Hey, look! It's Luna and Astro. Hello, Luna. Hello, Astro. Let's see what toys do they have. Astro has got a toy car. Luna has got a doll. Astro has got a teddy bear. Luna has got blocks. Hey, Astro, Luna, are you guys ready to play with the toys? Yes? Let's go! Let's try it out. Blocks. I have got blocks, or I has got blocks. Yes, I have got blocks. Excellent. Let's do one more. A ball. She has got a ball, or she have got a ball. Yes, she has got a ball. Excellent. High five.